What did you build?
A Rubik's Cube solver.
With your...
Mindstorms.
Okay. So what's it supposed to do?
Solve a Rubik's Cube.
Okay.
In under 4 minutes.
All right. What's it doing right now, Evan?
Scanning it.
Okay. Now what's it doing?
Thinking of what it's going to do. So it says on here, it's going to do 41 moves for solving.
All right. How many moves are left?
Well, it's done 12 out of 41 so far.
Little engineering.
It's done 25 moves.
Wow, is it going to solve it? Are you brilliant? Did you learn this summer?
Mm-hmm.
How many more moves?
It's done 38. Wait, no. Yeah, 39.
Oh my gosh. No way. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is so cool. And there it is. Rubik's Cube. Awesome, Evan.
And that was solved in 2 minutes, 59 seconds.
Brilliant. Brilliant. College resume.